I'm just trying to get an idea where to put the camera. Because I suppose the further back the camera is, the better. This is nice with your shadows as well. Can we do it again? Go. I don't fully understand it, so that's why I don't mind that this has turned out completely different from the starting point. That was just a starting point. You want to spin as well?
Yeah, I'm going to try this.
Okay, if you go and try that one, yeah? I'll just film a few of these.
Them or just me?
It's always 3 particles.
There are some
more diagrams. Do you want to look at the other diagrams? It's 1 lone particle and 2 entangled particles, and the entangled ones share the same state because they're entangled, and the other one has a different state. But the other one, the entangled particles become disentangled.
Yes.
And the one on the left entangles itself with the lone particle. Then they split off, and the one on the right somehow takes up the original properties of the lone particle, from what I can understand. And turn it off.
Niki je spole.
Da. Na kojem dijelu ne može ući? Aha, okay. We can do it all together. There are 5 of us now.
Well, it always involves 3 particles.
Well, we can set the rules, which we all follow, and then improvise the whole thing. And then whatever happens, we follow the rules.
Yeah, the rules I don't understand. Actually, first one I do, and second one, what was the second one?
Hey, has anyone chalk? Look, there's a nice blackboard here.
It's quite similar with the contact improvisation method.
And what do I have to do then?
And
I fade out, and then I just, I melt.
But you have to abandon your last action. Kaj, zakaj si meni to dal?
Zato ti si najsposobniji. Imaš lijep rukopis.
Would you like to draw? Let's say, first, first rule was transferring action.
You do not go close.
Action, and we'll illustrate that like this. Yeah, so the second rule, fading out.
Yes.
What? Then what? What will, if you fade out, what do you do after?
You do something else, whatever you like, but you have to fade out of your previous section.
Okay.
And the third ultimate rule to rule them all will be for the stationary particles.
Alright.
What we can say.
Yes. Yes.
And the others?
We
need all 5 people.
Yes.
5 people, yes.
Actually, it would be great with, I don't know, 30 people or something like that.
Yes.
Yeah, but we don't have them. Okay.
We need 30 people to make this.
Let's make 1 pair of particles.
Maybe really he should wear so he doesn't see where.
But then we,
blind particle.
Blind stationary particle.
It's neutral. It's neutral. You not use that.
Close your eyes.
Like a cigarette.
Condemned man
You
has
can
a
one last
particle.
telephone call if you want. We should tuck this in so it's more stylized. Yes.
Okay.
2, 1, and go. You're still together.
No, we're not together.
But I bumped into you.
You bumped into me?
Yes,
What?
that's your own
Now I have to change something.
No. You've been touched by stationary particles. Everything was really logical. This became quite confusing.
No, this became great.
Haven't done perfectly logical. I will try it again.
Well, do you want to try a system maybe where we do the 3-particle thing, but we have substitute particles? If somebody gets it wrong, we'll send it off the pitch.
Well, whatever you like.
Oh no, it's only a suggestion. You make the workshop by doing things. I'm kind of filming.
Vanja just wants to spin and spin all the time.
I have a suggestion. Let's take a break.
I don't have a condition. I'm not an answer. You're professional.
Nothing but 3 minutes.
Oh, why don't you take a break and then you just join when you want? Yeah, that's okay.
Where's the... Yeah, that's it.
Well, that's that.
You've been abandoned by your cast.
Okay, teleport to somewhere else. Let me stop it. Good.
If he touches all of us, then
It's like TIG.
yeah, nothing will happen
Yeah.
again. We have to set a new rule. You can say what particle is. What is your vision of a particle?
No, why don't you say what is your vision of particle? I'm sure you have a pretty clear vision.
But you
of
were
particle.
just saying. But wait, particles are really touching each other when they are teleporting.
I'm not sure actually if they are or not.
They're just simulating the behavior of other particles. That's what you said.
Well, we become close to that possibility when we became entangled all 4 of us.
Maybe
We
he
mobilized us.
has to touch us again or something in a way. You know?
No, because he's stationary.
Stationary. But
Or
he's
we can
standing
say-
all the time.
We can set the 4th rule.
Wait, I
How-
don't understand. Why?
We will be kind enough to accommodate the 4th rule. So if you see that someone has become immovable, then after, let's say, 10 seconds, you have to give an audio signal.
That kind of signal.
10 seconds.
10 seconds.
That's not long. It has to be 30 seconds. You know, if we all freeze and then it's like 30 seconds, that it looks like this.
Or it can be changeable time, so you can scream audio signal and audio mark for each person differently.
I'm leaving it to you to make this decision.
So we'll change this to this.
Infinity.
I think the rules will just expand the way we are going to work.
Where are you going?
I'm 52. A sad sam
Believe
treba
in
na
part.
4 sad računati, moram ići.
But then there are only 4 of us.
I'm sorry.
Maybe we'll teleport you back.
An escaped particle.
Yeah.
Do you like to be a stationary particle again? Or no? No. 2 times too much.
But wait. What does a stationary particle do? It's
Stationary
standing.
particle is standing and it's changing its position, so we can transfer its stationary
what
state
way?
on other particle or particles.
But in what? Okay, I'm standing. Can I be a stationary particle?
Yes.
Okay, I'm standing and then what? I move
And
a
you're-
step and then I'm standing.
No, you're constantly changing your positions, but your
But I'm
action is.
I don't have an
immovable.
action.
Yes.
That's the thing. Okay.
Yes.
This is how the choreography begins. Where am I? Where am I?
So, are we all starting like lone particles or? They're all starting as lone particles. Okay. And choose your action.
What if I don't touch anybody?
Well, that's your problem.
New rule! everybody must stop. Now you get out of your mobile state.
People, more activity. We have to be very, very agile.
You
broke the rules. Shall we do it again? And go.
We have to do it for 10 minutes.
Huh? 10 minutes.
Do you know how
5 minutes.
long is 10 minutes or 5 minutes?
Yes.
You can try to do it for 3 minutes.
Yes.
3 minutes, yes.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, and go.
Move on!
Move on.
Not all of you. First that I touched. Now the second one. Did I touch all of you?
No.
Halfway, what is that?
I must say they broke certain rules, but
Rules are meant to be broken.
But hey,
well, we can try to transfer dynamic properties.
We all love it.
I think it's time for your solo, is it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
What?
Yes.
Touch yourself.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
The basis of teleportation is cloning or copying.
Or replicate.
Or replicating, right. Why do you need to disintegrate the copy?
Because then you would have two same persons.
And that would be bad.
It's not like you have twin brothers, completely same person with same memories, same origin, same
And then they
experience, everything.
Think of this, there's two of you.
Yes.
Think of the possibilities.
Well, Vanja wanted to
Wow.
kill only one me, so imagine what would happen when there will be two me's.
Yes.
Or three me's.
Yes.
You will kill all.
I would kill you every day.
Imagine the pleasure.
Imagine the pleasure. What happens to the body which is cloned? They disintegrate that body
Then
just because, you know...
You disintegrate it
Those
into,
will clone,
into energy because it is possible in that continuum to transfer matter into energy and energy into matter.
If you copy something, why destroy the copy? If that's the teleportation.
Because you have to achieve the illusion of transporting.
Oh, it's over there. The
Yes.
illusion of transportation.
But wait a second. Teleportation to time should be excluded.
Yes.
And in this case...
It is. It happened
It's
to
not.
Montgomery Scott when he remained in teleportation stasis for 47 years. His matrix didn't disintegrate in the
Yeah.
buffer, so they were able to extract it from the buffer 47 years later.
Let's say that you can teleport yourself.
Yes.
And that excludes technology, everything. I mean, it's just like...
Physically jump.
Physically jump. It happens like this, not even this.
But
is
then,
time.
in that case, that would be real transportation, not replicating particles.
Wait a minute, you can copy something on another place identically, and you
Yes.
call it teleporting, alright?
Yes.
But that doesn't mean that you have to disintegrate the same copy.
Of course, you need to disintegrate because then you would have two persons. Actually, in one episode of the Next Generation,
Do you see what
that
you say?
happened. Yes,
Do you see?
that happened. Being Commander Riker, that happened, and there were clones,
Are
and
you,
there were
are you,
two.
are you aware that you're by destroying the original, you're killing it?
Yes, yes,
So you're fine with it?
yes.
You go now.
Yeah. Why should it?
We can put them in there.
No, we can stay like that. No.
Seriously?
Yeah. No one cares. We really don't need to do that.
Yeah?
No.
It's changing all the time.
I mean, it is scientific in a way that you can afterwards explain it with science, but not before.
3 minutes of videotape left.